external power into our campers, the goldfields.
Yeah, we've started, mate.
You started, have you?
Okay, so we're here today at Prestige Authentic Spare Parts with the lovely people here who've been helping us trying to sort out our bits and pieces for our camper. So we're speaking to this young lady here, which is Myra. And we've also got Jasmine. And we've got Rick. Rick, I hear, is a bit of a beer drinker. So, no, sorry. Anyway, so what we've come across is some bits and pieces we want to add for mods to our campers. So, as most people know, most of our campers don't have external power. We're relying on using our smart chargers, plug it into the Anderson plug or run it off the solar panel. Now, considering that we're going to say you're going to need an electrician to certify these, this is one way of adding a little bit of power into your camper without a lot of dicking around. But the first thing we've got is we've got the external power connection with an RCD. I'll just show you what that looks like here. So, and you got them in white or black. Now the idea of this is that you can mount this straight into your camper or caravan, space permitting, and then you connect it with these CMS leads, which in this case is 20 amp, and it connects into the back of your RCD connection, and then from that it fits into a specially designed power point that has the same connection as you can see here, and then from that you just plug in either your you might want to plug in your you might want to put in your projector charger, or you might want to put in a double and run that straight to other connections like your 240 volt heater. Okay, so the idea being is that we plug a specially designed lead into your 240 volt input to your van. That lead then connects to another specially designed 240 volt plug, so it allows you just to connect up your smart charger or whatever other 240 volt device you want to use at the time. Alright, so we'll let you know the outcome of that. Now the price of these roughly is we're looking around about $120 for your external input connection.
33.
Looking for 33 for your 20 amp lead, and
the double one is 40.
And the double power point's 40, and a single one's about 35. Alrighty, so there are other ways of doing it, but as most of these products, you're going to need an electrician to certify it. So while we're here, we just came across the other method of joining your power points from one to the other. We should have pointed that out earlier. You want to connect one CMS lead to another so you can have extra power points. You've got this little double adapter here that joins one to the next. Now remembering you are limited to 20 amps, so take that into account when you do it. Alrighty.
Yeah, with the Prestige Jayco here in Bendigo, they've got a wide range of spare parts. Should you need to change anything?
Yeah, some pretty good bits and pieces here for a small outlet.
Little switch off caps. There's your little plug-in connections that you see around our vans.
JG connectors.
The guest fittings.
Yeah.
Just push in your red and blue pipes and they'll lock in. So yeah, it's quite a range there.
Yeah. Now these are the ones we're looking for. Hot water connections were around here too, weren't they? Gas fittings.
Yeah, so if your Jayco's playing up, they've definitely got the parts here.
Yeah. And just to clarify, we're not sponsored, we're not pro any particular brand. We've just come across this little shop here in Bendigo, which is the back of the Jayco sales area. And it's well worth having a bit of an investigate. What do you think? Oh, doors, locks and things like that. Been very helpful too, haven't they?
Yeah, they have. These are some of the things that we see in the trailer all the time on different campers, like different struts.
Yeah, these
So,
struts.
yeah. I see we're $50 for that one.
Mm.
That's a $45 strut.
What are these things down here? What are those things? In the comics, I suppose. Different doors and hatches. They've got a lot of selection of all your biopack, water pack, and RV solutions for your toilets, the toilet sort of stuff. Now, what's this thing here? You were talking to me about this before. What they just?
Observation. There's your rear vision.
Yeah.
Go back to your caravan. Wireless back to your cars.
Yep. And some harnesses here too, by the look. Entertainment, mirrors.
Brake adapter.
Oh wow.
That's basically the sort of thing I have to do in my car to make that thing work.
Mm. Hitch step, that's not a bad idea, is it? Right, guys, just a big shout out and a thanks to you guys for your help today and looking through these bits and pieces. And yes, don't forget, it'll help putting a like and a subscribe on our camper trailer and page too. And we'll make sure that we throw up a bit of a spiel on the RV Caravans. We had a bit of people asking about them, and we'll let them know. All right, this is Bendigo. All right, over and out.
Cheers, guys.